All right, guys, we got a Ford Mustang key here. This is 2014-15 model. You need 2 batteries for this key fob. I'm going to show you guys how to do that. I do have another video out there, but fresh little video today, and I'm going to show you guys how to change this. These are like $3 to $5 each, and the number is 2025, cr2025. You need 2 of these. This is the best way I could get my camera. So what I want to do is I'm going to open both of these and have them ready. Because when we do it, we are not going to be able to take these apart. And I hate these packagings. There you go, that's one. And here it comes. The second one, I'm going to just go all around so I don't have to struggle. There you go. There's 2. So, to open this, you're going to push this back. You're going to put your finger right here, nail. And you're going to push this button back right here. And we're going to pry this open a little bit. Once this is open, you got a key in there if you need to. You want to take a flathead screwdriver or something like this. You just want to open this up from right here. And this is what it's going to look like. Just like this. You're going to have 2 keys in there. So there we have it. Let me just give you a better quality of thumbnail photo for everyone. So that's that. Let me just continue sitting here like an idiot. So you want to take these. You got to put them the same way. Okay, the top one, the positive, is facing down. And you want to remove this letter. Don't break this off, okay? Because it's like 2 keys, 2 batteries in one. And this separates them. So this one is the other way around. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to take 1 battery and put it in first. Freaking camera turned off on me. So we're going to bring this over just like that. And now I need to grab this new battery. And remember, this one was face down. And that's how that goes. And then you're going to take this and you're going to simply just close it up. Okay, so these 2 little notches go here. And then you squeeze down on it. There you go. And once it's squeezed in, pretty good, squeeze in on it. And then you're going to close this up. And there you go. The car is locking and unlocking. Works pretty good. So thank you for watching my video.